Brad Hall here. On today's show, two shoes go head to head, the $2,000 Air Dior and a $75 version. This should be really good, so stay tuned. The Air Dior is a luxury take on the Michael Air Jordan 1, and it comes with a really hefty price tag. That is a lot of money, a little too rich for my blood, so I did not buy this one, but I do like the way the shoe looks, and I was curious maybe there's a cheaper alternative. So with me today is a $75 version of the Air Dior that I made with a plain white shoe and some paint. I may be a little bit biased, but I have to say, I think it came out pretty well. All of those notable Air Dior elements, they're on the shoe. You've got that beautiful gray and white upper, and then a lot of really cool details. On the tongue, they switched up the Nike Air. It's got an altered wings logo on the side. There's that Dior swoosh. And then on the bottom, you've got an icy sole, and you've got those Dior graphics hiding underneath that ice. The $75 version isn't a perfect clone though. It's a little different cut. This one, more of a mid than a high. It's got a slightly different shape too, but that's basically it. Otherwise, pretty close to identical. So how does this, a $75 shoe, stack up to that $2,000 version? I'm gonna compare the two sneakers in 4 categories, and then hopefully at the end, we've got a winner, so I can crown one of them a winner. So up first, we're gonna take a look at looks. The $2,000 pair definitely looks nice. That leather looks thick. The $75 version, that looks nice too. Up close though, the $75 version, it does have some inconsistencies. So for looks, I am giving the nod to the $2,000 pair. The $2,000 version was limited to 8,500 pairs. That's not a lot. But the $75 version, that is a one of one, so that one takes it there. The $2,000 version, that was handmade in Italy. The $75 version, that was handmade in the US. A lot of care went into that too. So this one, this is a draw. So it's all tied up right now. So this next one is going to determine which shoe wins. And that final category is... So the $2,000 version, that is of course $2,000. So it doesn't do well in this category. The $75 version, that is not $2,000. So it looks like the $75 version takes this category and wins it all. It was neck and neck up until the end, but the $75 version had a great showing in the not $2,000 category. What an incredible matchup. Hope you enjoyed that head-to-head battle, and thanks for watching.